Hey everyone, today I'm gonna tell you how Europcar helped me spend 740 euros for a 3 days renting of a car in France. Yes, you heard right, 740 euros for 3 days. Not for Ferrari, not for a Tesla, it was BMW Series 1 with a flat tire. Stick around, because if you planning to rent a car in Europe, this video can help you to save a lot of money and nerves. So here's how it starts. I originally booked a Renault Clio for about 40 euros per day with full insurance. Cheap, simple, perfect. The kind of car you rent, use, forget, nothing special. We arrive at the airport Paris-Beauvais in France. Walk into Europcar's office. And suddenly, sir, there is a problem with your booking. You booked from 23 of October, but today is 22 of October. And I tell him, okay, can we extend for 1 day? Because I saw a lot of cars on the parking. It was a lot of cars available on the website. But the only option they can give me, the BMW for 300 euros per same 3 days. Basically, take this BMW or walk. Fine, whatever, I'll take the BMW. Full insurance, no problem. What could possibly go wrong? Apparently, everything. We pick up the BMW. Looks great, feels great, very premium. We leave the airport, stop at McDonald's, get on the highway, and after 15, maybe 20 minutes of driving, boom! The rear right tire goes flat. Incredibly, I didn't have time to connect my phone to the Bluetooth. We call Europcar support. And here's where the real horror begins. Because calling Europcar support, it's not calling a company, it's an emotional marathon. You did the number, and then you wait. And wait. And wait. Every single call starts with 10-15 minutes of being on hold, listening to some horrible music loop and the same useless announcements. Your call is very important for us. Your conversation may be recorded. We care deeply about your satisfaction. Please stay on the line to complete the survey after the call. We are standing on the side of the French highway with a kid behind the crash barrier, and Europcar is trying to convince me how they care about my satisfaction. The best part, there wasn't even a safety vest in the car. Not one, nothing. We had to stand behind the barrier like characters in a survival movie. So finally, after surviving the Europcar phone system, we reach a human, and Europcar says, "Oh, we can't send you tow car to the highway. You must call the French emergency road service." Of course, why would Europcar handle a car problem? Too logical. So we call the emergency service. They picked up immediately. Imagine that. And after about an hour, a tow truck arrives. The tow truck guy takes one look and says, "Easy fix, 10 minutes. He calls Europcar and Europcar says, "Do not repair. Tow the car, we will replace the vehicle." Because repairing a car would be way too efficient. So they tow us and the said BMW to a service station in some random town. The mechanic also says, "Oh, there's nothing, we can repair it right now." But Europcar calls again, "No repair, we will send you a taxi." I swear, Europcar will do anything except solve the actual problem. So now the plan becomes no repair, no BMW. They send us a taxi and we will travel 100 km to our next destination by metro. Then maybe one day we will receive a replacement car. The taxi ride about 265 euros, which Europcar now owes me. Next morning, not morning, around 1 p.m. they send us new taxi and we go to the another city, to the another Europcar office. And finally, the replacement car. Renault Clio manual. So the final upgrade downgrade cycle is Clio, BMW Clio. We use the Clio, no issues. We return it on 25 October at 9 a.m. I literally have a flight leaving France this morning. I physically left the country, but Europcar paperwork. No. According to them, I returned the car on the 31 October, 6 days later. And apparently, I drove over 1000 kilometers during the 6 days, which is amazing, because I was in a completely different country. Maybe the Clio decides to explore France on its own. Let's talk about money. When we take the car in the French airport, they charge 800 euros, 300 for a BMW, 500 deposit. When I came back to the home, Europcar charged me 376 euros 11 cents. I don't know why. No receipts, no invoices. And after another 3 days, they charged 365 euros 80 cents For what? I don't know. In a total 743 euros, 2 of which were spent dealing with a tire that could have been repaired in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. But Europcar choose the most expensive, slowest, stupidest possible solution package. So here's my final advice. If you thinking about renting a car from a Europcar, just don't walk, run, use a scooter, ride a bicycle, take a donkey, teleport, borrow your grandma's car. Anything is better. And Europcar, if you are somehow watching this, I genuinely hope that this video costs you more customers than the money you took from me. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.